When the days are dark and the waiting's long, when my heart feels weak and my strength is gone, still I'll